Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep tabs on your team's work without feeling like you're constantly looking over their shoulder? Maybe you're running a busy field service business of plumbing, HVAC, landscaping, cleaning, and you're juggling appointments, estimates, and customer calls. The last thing you need is to spend hours manually calculating timesheets, chasing down employees for their hours, or worse, dealing with discrepancies that eat into your profit. It's a common headache, right? You want accuracy, efficiency, and less administrative burden. That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because when it comes to managing a mobile workforce, one of the biggest questions that pops up is, does Jobber track employee hours? And the short answer, which will make a lot of you breathe a sigh of relief, is a resounding yes. But it's not just a simple yes. It's a yes, and it does it really well, with a ton of features that will streamline your operations and save you a ton of time and money. Let's unpack this, because understanding how Jobber tracks hours is key to unlocking its full potential for your business. Imagine a system where your team can clock in and out directly from their mobile device, whether they're on a job site, traveling between clients, or even starting their day from home. No more paper timesheets, no more guessing games, no more forgotten start or end times. This isn't just about recording hours. It's about transforming your payroll process and gaining invaluable insights into your team's productivity. So, how does this magic happen? Jobber's time tracking functionality is built right into its core platform, accessible through the Jobber app on both iOS and Android devices. Your employees simply open the app, navigate to the relevant job or their timesheet, and hit clock in. When they're done, they hit clock out. It's that simple. But simplicity doesn't mean a lack of detail. When an employee clocks in, Jobber records the exact time and date. When they clock out, the same happens. This creates an accurate record of their work duration. What's more, Jobber allows employees to associate their time with specific jobs. This is crucial for job costing and understanding profitability. You can see not just how long someone worked, but what they worked on. Did they spend 2 hours on that plumbing repair? 4 hours on that landscaping project? This level of detail empowers you to make smarter business decisions, identify areas for improvement, and ensure you're accurately billing your clients. Beyond simply clocking in and out, Jobber offers several powerful features that elevate its time tracking capabilities. For instance, employees can also track their breaks. This is vital for compliance with labor laws and ensures fair compensation. If an employee takes a lunch break, they can clock out for their break and then clock back in when they resume work. Jobber automatically deducts the break time from their total work hours. Another fantastic feature is the ability to add notes to time entries. Let's say an employee encounters an unexpected delay on a job. Perhaps a supply run was needed, or they had to wait for a client. They can add a quick note to their time entry explaining the situation. This provides context for you, the business owner, and can be incredibly helpful for resolving any discrepancies or understanding the nuances of a job. Now, let's talk about the administrative side. As the business owner or manager, you have a centralized hub to review all employee time entries. From your Jobber dashboard, you can see a clear, organized view of everyone's hours for the day, week, or any custom date range. You can easily identify who's clocked in, who's clocked out, and how many hours they've accumulated. This real-time visibility is invaluable for managing your team effectively and ensuring you're on track with your labor costs. But it gets even better. Jobber allows you to edit time entries if necessary. Accidents happen, and sometimes an employee might forget to clock in or out, or they might enter an incorrect time. As an admin, you have the power to adjust these entries to ensure accuracy before payroll. This flexibility is a huge time saver and prevents potential payroll errors. Speaking of payroll, this is where Jobber's time tracking truly shines. Once you've reviewed and approved the time entries, you can easily generate timesheet reports. These reports consolidate all your employees' hours, making it incredibly simple to export the data and integrate it with your preferred payroll system. Imagine the hours you'll save each week or month by eliminating manual data entry and reconciliation. No more spreadsheets, no more calculators, just accurate, ready-to-process data. Furthermore, Jobber's time tracking can be linked to geofencing. While not a direct tracking feature in the sense of constant live location, It adds another layer of accuracy and accountability. You can set up geofences around job sites, and the system can prompt employees to clock in or out when they enter or leave a designated area. This helps to ensure that employees are clocking in from the correct location, further reducing errors and promoting honest timekeeping. The benefits extend beyond just accurate payroll. By having precise data on how long jobs take, you can improve your quoting accuracy. If you consistently find that certain types of jobs are taking longer than estimated, you can adjust your pricing accordingly to ensure profitability. This data-driven approach to estimating is a game changer for any field service business. Moreover, detailed time tracking allows you to analyze employee productivity. Are some team members consistently completing jobs faster than others? Are there bottlenecks in your workflow that are causing delays? Jobber provides the insights you need to identify these trends and optimize your operations. You can use this information for performance reviews, training opportunities, and even better resource allocation. Consider the compliance aspect as well. Labor laws often require detailed records of employee work hours, including breaks and overtime. Jobber's comprehensive time tracking ensures you have all the necessary documentation readily available, helping you stay compliant and avoid potential legal issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.